What if you could see your program's path like a treasure map? What if every decision and action had a clear visual path? Flowcharts make this possible. Today we're mastering flowcharts, visual diagrams that show exactly how your program flows from start to finish. We'll learn the correct symbols, map program logic visually, and create flowcharts for any program. Let's turn your code into visual masterpieces. Flowcharts are special diagrams that show exactly how your program flows from start to finish. Think of them like a GPS map for your code. Every shape has a meaning, and arrows show you which way to go. Every flowchart symbol has a special job. Ovals mark the start and end of your program. Parallelograms handle input and output, getting information from users or showing results. Rectangles do the work, calculations and actions. Diamonds ask questions with yes or no answers, just like if statements in Scratch. Here's our temperature converter as a flowchart. We start with the oval, get input with a parallelogram, do our calculation in a rectangle, show output with another parallelogram, and end with stop. The arrows guide us through each step perfectly. Here are the golden rules for perfect flowcharts. Always start with start and end with stop. No exceptions. Arrows show the flow direction so nobody gets lost. Each symbol has just one entry point to keep things clean. Decisions always have two exits, yes and no. And most importantly, keep it simple and clear. Now, let's add decision making. This flowchart checks if water would freeze. We get the temperature, then ask, is it 0 or below? If yes, we tell them water freezes. If no, we say it stays liquid. Both paths lead back to our stop symbol. See how the diamond creates two different paths? Watch out for these common mistakes. Never forget your start or stop ovals. They frame your entire program. Missing arrows leave people confused about the flow. Dead ends are disasters. Every path must reach stop. And using the wrong shapes like rectangles for input makes your flowchart confusing. Quick challenge time. Match each action to its correct flowchart shape. Calculate area equals length times width. Ask user for their name. Check if age is 13 or older. Begin the program. Which shape goes with each action? Excellent. Calculate area uses a rectangle because it's processing and doing work. Ask for name needs a parallelogram because it's getting input. Check if age is 13 or older uses a diamond because it's making a decision. Begin program uses an oval because it's starting everything. Here's a super practical tip. Draw your flowcharts on paper first. It's way faster than digital tools when you're just planning, and you can erase and redraw parts easily. Once your logic is perfect, then you can make it digital if you need to share it. What fantastic progress! We learned that flowcharts visualize program flow using special symbols, that each shape has a specific purpose in our diagram, and that arrows guide the path from start to stop. Next, we'll master problem decomposition, breaking big challenges into bite-sized pieces. You can now map any program visually like a professional.